Welcome. In this video, we shall cover the discrete random vector and joint probability mass function. Now let us start with the discrete random vector. The two-dimensional random variable xy is called as discrete type if it takes paired values from a countable set of pairs with probability 1. Let A be a countable set of pairs. So for a discrete type, probability xy belongs to A equal to 1. Suppose that x equal to xi, I equal to 1, 2 up to so on, and y equal to yj, j equal to 1, 2 up to so on, such that probability x equal to xi, y equal to yj, that is equal to pij, where pij greater than equal to 0 for all I and j varying from 1 to up to so on, and summation over I equal to 1 to infinity, summation over j equal to 1 to infinity, pij equal to 1. That is, every pair xi yj is assumed with a non-negative probability pij, and the point xi yj is called as the jump point. of the distribution function f, and Pij is the size of the jump, is the size or magnitude of the jump of the distribution function f at the point xi yj. The distribution function of two-dimensional random variable xy is f xy, that is equal to probability x less than equal to x, y less than equal to y, that is equal to summation over the set B Pij, where set B includes all those value of x and y which are less than small x and small y respectively. So B equal to Ij, where xi is less than equal to x, yj less than equal to y. So fxy is called as the distribution function of the two-dimensional random variable xy. Now we write the joint probability mass function. The collection of numbers Pij satisfying the relation Pij equal to probability x equal to xi, y equal to yj for all the pairs xi, yj, ij varying from 1, 2 up to so on, and summation over I and summation over j Pij equal to 1 is called as the joint probability mass function of two-dimensional random variable xy. We can write this probability joint probability mass function in the form of a table. Joint probability mass function of xy. So here we take the values of y, here we take the values of x. So this is y1, y2 up to so on yj. So this is x1, x2 up to so on xi and continue. This is p11, p12, p1j up to so on. Then this is p21, p22 up to so on p2j. This is pi1, pi2, this is pij and so on. So p11, it is the probability x equal to x1, y equal to y1. p12 probability x equal to x1, y equal to y2. And similarly pij probability x equal to xi, y equal to yj. If you take this column total p11 plus p12 plus p1j, so all these values are p11, this is probability x equal to x1, y equal to y1. p12 probability x equal to x1, y equal to y2. p1j probability x equal to x1, y equal to yj. So in all these values, the x value is x1 and y value is changing for y1, y2, yj up to so on, all the y values. So this is the probability x equal to x1, this total. Similarly here, this total, this will be probability x equal to x2. This is probability x equal to x1, this is probability x equal to x2. Similarly, this is probability x equal to xi. Similarly, if you take the column total, this will be probability y equal to yj. So here p11 probability x equal to x1, y equal to y1. p21 probability x equal to x2, y equal to y1. Similarly pi1 probability x equal to xi, y equal to y1. So all these in all these this column, the value of y is y1, the value of x is changing. So if we add this will be probability y equal to y1, this will be probability y equal to y2, and this will be probability y equal to yj. And all, if you add all these probabilities in this row and in this column, this will be 1. So probability x equal to x1, this is called as the marginal, this is called as the marginal probability mass function of x. So this is probability x equal to xi. So this is equal to summation over j probability x equal to xi, y equal to yj. We are adding all the values for y. So this is equal to probability pi1 plus pi2 plus pi3 plus up to so on. This will be equal to pi dot. Similarly here, this is the marginal probability mass function of y. So this is probability y equal to yj, that is equal to summation over I probability x equal to xi and y equal to yj. So this is equal to p 1j plus p 2j plus p 3j plus up to so on. This will be equal to p dot j. So here this column gives marginal probability mass function of x, this row gives marginal probability mass function of y, and this table, these values pij here, p11, p12, p1j like this, e21, these are the joint probability mass function of x and y. So here we can, from the joint probability mass function, by adding here row total, this will be marginal probability mass function of x, column total, this will be marginal probability mass function of y. Here y we take values of y as the column heads and values of x as the row heads. So now we take an example. A die is rolled and a coin is tossed. Independently. Let x equal to the face value on the die. So values of x will be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and y equal to 0. This is y relating to the outcome of the coin. So y equal to 0 if tail turns up. And 1 if head turns up. So values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Value of y is 0 and 1. So we say a, that is equal to, we now prepare all the pairs considering the values of x and y. So when x equal to 1, y is 0, x equal to 2, y is 0, x equal to 3, y is 0, x equal to 4, y is 0, x equal to 5, y is 0, x equal to 6, y equal to 0. Similarly, x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to x equal to 2, y equal to 1, x equal to 3, y equal to 1, x equal to 4, y equal to 1, x equal to 5, y equal to 1, x equal to 6, y equal to 1. So here A has 6 plus 6, 12 elements. So now we have to find this probability xi yj, this belongs to A, this is equal to 1 by 12 for xi equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the values of x. Yj equal to 0, 1, values of y. So these are 12 values here. Now we have to find the distribution function basing upon this joint distribution function of the random variable xy. Now the joint distribution function of the random variable xy, that is equal to fxy equal to probability x less than equal to x, y less than equal to y. This is equal to so the values of x and y, the value of x starts from 1. So when x less than 1, it is not possible. So we get 0. If x less than 1 and y may be any value from minus infinity to plus infinity, or else we can get any value of x lies between minus infinity to plus infinity, but value of y is less than 0. So this is the one case, this is the second case. So y less than 0, because yj equal to 0 and 1, value of y cannot be less than 0. So in this case, this is 0. We are starting from the smaller values of x and y. So x less than 1 here in this part, and in this part y less than 0. Now then this is 1 by 12. If 1 less than equal to x less than 2, y greater than 0 less than 1. Here x equal to 1, y equal to 0. X equal to 1, y equal to 0. So this is 1 by 12. And again, when x lies between 1 to 2, then next value, x value is 2 to 3. And y lies between same 0 to 1. So 0 less than equal to y less than 1. So y equal to 0. X lies between 2 to 3. Means value of x is 1 and 2. Y is 0. So 1 0 and 2 0. Two values. So 1 0, probability of 1 0 is 1 by 12. And 1 2, it is also 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12, this is 1 by 6. And also in another case we can write this. The second, x, the value of x is the same 1 to 2 and 1 less than equal to y. If y we take two values 0 and 1, x is the same 1, this then the pair becomes 1 0 and 1 1. So 1 0 probability 1 by 12, 1 1 probability 1 by 12. So this is 1 by 6. So now then when x this is 2 to 3, then 3 to 4. X lies between 3 to 4, y lies between 0 to 1. So y equal to 0 here, x values of x is 1, 2 and 3. 3 values. So 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12. So this is 3 by 12, 1 by 4. Then x values lies between 4 and 5. X values 4 and 5. Y same 0 to 1. So here y equal to 0, x value 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values. So 4 by 12, 1 by 3. The second part also it can be x lies between same 2 and 3. Here x was 1, 2, then 2 and 3 and 1 less than equal to y. Here y is 0, 1, x equal to x value is 1, 2. So x1, y0, x2, y0. x1, y1, x2, y1. 4 values. So 4 by 12, this is 1 by 3. So then x value lies between 5 and 6. Y same 0 to 1. So here value of x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values. Here y is 0. So we have here this is will be 5 by 12. Again, if x value is greater than equal to 6 and y less than 1. So y is equal to 0, x has 6 values. So this will be 1 by 2. Or here we can also take the value of x lies between 3 to 4. 3 less than equal to x less than 4. 1 less than equal to y. So here the value of y is 0 and 1, 2 values. The value of x is 1, 2, 3. 3 values. 3 into 2, 6 values. So 6 by 12, 1 by 2. So then another case, if we have x value 4 to 5 and y 1 less than equal to y. So here x has 4 values, y has 2 values 0 and 1. X has 4 values 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 values. So 8 by 12. So this will be 2 by 3. Again, if x values lies between 5 and 6, 5 less than equal to x less than 6, 1 less than equal to y. Here y has two values 0 and 1, x has 5 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5, y value is 2, 5 into 2, 10, so 10 by 12. So these are 5 by 6. And again another last one, if this 6 x value greater than equal to 6, y greater than equal to 1, so this is 1. So this is the distribution function of the random variable, joint distribution function of the two-dimensional random variable x and y. Now we consider marginal probability mass function. Marginal probability mass function, we define summation I equal to 1 to infinity Pij, that is equal to P1j plus P2j plus P3j plus up to so on. This is equal to summation over j I equal to 1 to infinity probability x equal to xi, y equal to yj. So this will be equal to probability x equal to x1, y equal to yj plus probability x equal to x2, y equal to yj plus up to so on. So this will be equal to probability y equal to yj, because it includes all the values of x equal to x1, x equal to x2, x equal to x3, but y equal to yj is always there. So this is probability y equal to yj. This is equal to p dot j, because this is includes all the x values x1, x2 up to so on. We are giving dot here for x in place of I. So this is the collection of non-negative numbers p dot j equal to 1, 2 up to so on is called as the marginal probability mass function of y. Similarly, we can write down the marginal probability mass function of x. Now we can define summation j equal to 1 to infinity Pij, that is equal to summation j equal to 1 to infinity probability x equal to xi, y equal to yj. This is equal to probability x equal to xi. So this is equal to pi dot. Now the collection of the numbers pi dot is called as the marginal probability mass function of the random variable x. Now let us consider an example. Now a fair coin is tossed 3 times. Let x equal to the number of heads obtained. In 3 tosses, and y equal to the difference in absolute value between the number of heads and number of tails in 3 tosses. Now we have to find the joint and marginal probability mass functions here. Now when a fair coin is tossed, the outcomes are we can get all heads, then head, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head. Here one tail, then one head, two tails, H, T, T, H, sorry, T, H, T, 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 H. Then all T. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outcomes. So here the values of x. X is the number of heads obtained. Here number of heads obtained is 3. Here number of heads obtained is 2. Here number of heads obtained is 1. Here number of heads is 0. So values of x is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then y. The number of heads minus number of tails in absolute value. Here number of heads is 3, number of heads is 3, number of tails is 0. So in this case 3 minus 0, 3. Number of heads 2, number of tails 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Here in all these 3 cases it is 1. Here also in all these 3 cases it is 1. Number of tails 2, number of heads 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Here number of tails 3, number of heads 0, so 3 minus 1 equal to same 3. So value of y is 3 and 1, number of x, values of x is 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we have to make a joint probability mass function. So we prepare a table joint probability mass function of xy. Here the values of y 1 and 3, values of x is 0, 1, 2, 3. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 1. X equal to 0, number of heads obtained is 0. Number of heads is 0, number of heads minus number of tails is 1. This is not possible, so this value will be 0. Here then y equal to 1, number of heads minus number of tails is 1. So in these cases, and y equal to 1, x equal to 1, number of heads obtained is 1. Heads obtained is 1 means these are 3 cases. So this is 3 by 8. Number of heads obtained is 2, these 3. So this is also 3 by 8, and this is not possible. This is 0. So then here y equal to 3, number of heads minus number of tails is 3. So either this case or this case. X equal to 0, number of heads obtained is 0, means only this case. So this is 1 by 8. Here number of heads minus number of tails is 3 from only these 3. So x equal to 1, this is not possible. Number of heads obtained is 1, this is not possible. Number of heads obtained is 2, not possible. Number of heads obtained is 3, this one. So this is 1 by 8. So this will be probability x equal to xi. This is probability y equal to yj. So this is 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 8. This is 6 by 8, 2 by 8, total is 1. So this gives the marginal probability mass function of x, this is marginal probability mass function of y, and this joint probability mass function of x and y. So thank you for enjoying the lecture.